So I've already attached the clips, the plastic clips. Now you just line up the leg extension with the clip and gently pull and wiggle at the same time to install these. There's one. There we are. Okay, time for the drive rod. I've already transferred the handle from the original broken drive rod to the new one with the collar, and this will go on the outside, of course. So let's install this. We want to install our bearing. Now we're going to stop short of putting it through because we have some other parts that go on here first. This is where you consult your sketch to make sure you get the parts on correctly. The first thing is the bearing that goes into the arm frame on the handle side. And I'm working upside down here, so this is a bit new for me. So let me get the orientation here on this. Let's find my mark. There we are. There's our T, so that's the top side. Our swing and trip lever. Now we can go ahead and run it through the spacing link. And on this side we'll need our toggle. And our other swing. See, I put the wrong bearing. Well, as I said, things can go wrong. I put the wrong bearing. I put the wrong size bearing here. This larger one actually fits in the arm frame. The one I want is a bit shorter. So let's try this again. Toggle, rear swing, and finally the last bearing that fits into the opposite arm frame. So when you get this spaced properly, you're going to put your clips in. And here we need a cotter pin. There we go. Okay, and you want to check your alignment before you bend the bottoms of these clips so that they stay in place. So let me get the fastener to start this, to mount this toggle. I'll see if I can finish this up with the camera position normally where I stand. So I'm kind of working at a weird angle here. I'm going to attach the extension scissors. Insert this plastic part here and then fit it into the scissor. And then we fasten it with a screw. so I've got the extension scissors attached, and I went ahead and finished fastening the spacing link fastener on the front rail now that I have everything in position. So let's attach this linkage to the pawl. Now we can test everything out before we finish up. So make sure that your scissors open and close, and in the open position push down on the rear of the base and you activate the pawl. Okay, once you're sure everything's working properly, go ahead and finish fastening your clips and this attaching screw for the toggle. You want to make sure the head of this fastener is flush and snug. All right, let's attach the footrest. Last but not least, let's reattach the tension spring. The long end attaches to the support shaft, the shorter end to the toggle. I use vice grips to reattach. You want to make sure the toggle end's in first. This is a weird angle. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. All that's left to finish up is to reattach the upholstery, and we're done.